And after the cleanup, homeowners have to think about what comes next.
Yeah, our team coverage continues tonight with NBC4's Kyle Beachy. And Kyle, you spoke with several people who can help figure out what the best option will be for rebuilding. And we're told there's even a way folks can save some money.
Well, Carrie, Colleen, getting hit with this kind of damage that we're seeing across Central Ohio is devastating, but there are people here to help. And if you suffer damage, you could qualify for a property tax cut.
I've seen stuff I've never seen before. It was probably the worst storm I've ever witnessed.
Roofs torn completely off of buildings, siding strewn across roadways, lying next to shingles and gutters from homes.
The neighborhood in Hilliard that I was in today, one side of the street barely had any damage and one side of the street looked like a bomb went off. And that's the best way to put it. What I seen today looked like something of a war zone.
John Tomer with Quality Builders of Ohio was all across Central Ohio assessing damage, hoping to help rebuild.
It puts fear in homeowners' eyes, and what that does for us is it puts a sense of urgency in. And normally after storms like last night, they're super devastating, and you feel bad for the homeowners having to go through that. So you just try to make the next steps moving forward as easy as possible for them.
Many homeowners can be in a state of shock. That's why Leanne Lanigan with Better Business Bureau says you need someone on your side right away.
The tornado comes through, the first person you should call is your insurance company or your insurance agent.
After that, you could even save some money through the county auditor's office.
A lot of property owners don't realize they have that opportunity. So say a tornado came today, your property is no longer habitable. That would be a candidate for 100% reduction.
Homeowners who suffered significant damage can apply for a reassessment of their homes to potentially get a reduction in property taxes.
Is this something that other counties do as well, or is this something that's unique to Franklin County?
This is required under state of Ohio law. So any property owner in any county has the opportunity to fill out the form. It's called a DTE 26.
And the deadline to file that paperwork with the auditor's office is December 31st this year. All that information about how to contact the auditor and what paperwork you need to file is available on our website, NBC4i.com. Carrie?
Great information, Kyle. Thanks.